Hey, welcome back to Hometown TV. Today, we're at Thomasville Medical Center with Tom Doyle. Tom, your title is Director of COPD Program?
I'm actually the Program Director for our Cardiac and our Pulmonary Rehab Department here at Novant Health Thomasville Medical Center.
All right, Tom, let me ask you, in this part of the country, in our community, COPD is an issue for a lot of folks. Explain what COPD is.
Well, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is actually, most people think of it as chronic bronchitis or emphysema, but the fact of the matter is people just can't breathe. They get short of breath when they are active.
All right, in response to that, and as a leader in the community, Novant has done something about this.
Absolutely. Novant Health is proud to recently get a national certification in COPD through the Joint Commission, which is we're one of the only 8 hospitals in the nation that have that, the first one in North Carolina. Our respiratory therapy staff does a great job while they're here, taking care of them when they have an exacerbation and they have to be hospitalized. Our goal is to try to keep people out of the hospital. So, and really we have a multiple prong approach. We started a pulmonary rehab program in 2010, and now we're actually kicking off a new program, which is a support group for COPD patients and their caregivers called Better Breathers. It's actually a joint effort with the American Lung Association and Novant Health Thomasville Medical Center.
So this program is for people who know they could have a problem, people that have had a problem, I guess for everybody.
Absolutely. You know, COPD, Davidson County has the highest incidence of COPD in the state of North Carolina. So everybody knows somebody that has it. Smoking is the biggest cause of COPD. However, it's not the only one. We see a lot of people that work in furniture industry, that work in textile, that also have COPD. If you're not able to breathe or do the stuff you want to do because of shortness of breath, you find yourself sitting at home, not doing the things you want to do, constantly coughing, having trouble. This program, Better Breathers and Pulmonary Rehab, can really change your life.
All right, so you're telling me there is something people can do, but you've got some really good staff here that is on top of it.
Absolutely, absolutely. In Pulmonary Rehab, we have a couple nurses. We have a registered nutritionist that gets to meet with people. We have a medical director, Dr. Chaudhry, who's our pulmonologist, and I'm an exercise specialist. And then we also work closely with our inpatient staff. When they're here in the hospital, then we'll actually go and visit and start talking about pulmonary rehab, start talking about the Better Breather program, really just resources to help keep them well and keep them out of the hospital.
All right, speaking of hands-on, let's run down to the exercise room and talk to some of the folks that make it important to you. Hey, this is where the action is. I see people getting healthy in here, and Shelley Miller is respiratory therapist.
Respiratory therapy.
Here at Novant Health. Shelley, tell us about the COPD program and what it's doing for people.
Well, with COPD being one of the leading causes of death in the United States, we at Novant Healthcare would like to invite everybody to come out and take charge of your health. We want to make sure that we teach you what to do with your medications, how to take those, what to look for whenever you start to have an exacerbation. We meet the third Tuesday of every month from 2:30 to 3:30, so we'd like for you to come on out and get involved. We've got jam-packed activities, so just come on out and we'll show you what's going on.
They meet a lot of friends here. I see that already. And you teach them about nutrition and probably every aspect of their life.
Oh yeah, we have everything, nutrition, exercise, medications, CPAPs, BiPAPs, oxygen, anything that relates to their health.
All right, and in your experience, you've seen some big benefits for people.
Oh yeah, it helps a lot. And just getting together with people that have the same issues that you do, a lot of people get together, a lot of friendships are made, and just having somebody to talk to that can relate to what's going on in your life.
Let's ask Tom how you find out about the COD program at Novant Health. So Tom, what do people do if they want to be a part of the COPD program here at Novant Thomasville Medical Center?
Well, if they're interested in pulmonary rehab or the Better Breathers Club, they can call me directly. My name's Tom Doyle, and my phone number is 474-3456, or you can shoot me an email at tedoyle@novanthealth.org, or you can go to the website www.thomasvillemedicalcenter.org.
All right, no excuse for you not to look to better health right here at Novant Thomasville Medical Center. Get a hold of them now.